am going to help you raise your credit score. I just found out that in less than a year, I was able to raise my credit score over 200 points. I never thought I'd be able to have good credit. Never, bro. Like, this is amazing. And I want to share how I was able to do it to see if it can possibly help you. So stay tuned.
After making it out of what I've been through, man, I'm just trying to better the quality of my life and those around me. And if I can help someone change their life in the process, that just makes my life that much more worth living.
It's me, and I'm here back at you with another video from inside of a car. If you don't know, my name is Alex Fatman the Flipper, and I'm your friendly neighborhood fat man. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I was able to raise my horrible credit score up over 200 points in less than a year. Over 200 points in less than a year. I have good credit, and I had horrible credit in the beginning of this year. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Stay tuned, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. You better. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn different ways that you can make money, save money, and just be all around more awesome, go ahead and consider subscribing and tickling that little bell notification like it's a belly, you know, Pillsbury Doughboy, woohoo, and give this a thumbs up. And I'm about to share some information with you guys that is kind of personal, and I'm not doing this to brag. I'm doing this to help you in case you have either bad credit or you know, have so-so credit. You kind of just want to bump your credit score a little bit. This information can possibly help you, and that comes with a, what do you call those things? I just had a brain fart. Disclosure, right? Number one, I'm not getting paid anything for. I literally am just gonna share with you my experience of how it worked out for me. While you make money, that's the crazy part. I literally was making money while I was getting my credit score to go up, and I never thought it would go up at all. I just said, let me try it, let me see what happens. And sure enough, in less than a year, I mean, it's been maybe, I think it was it's been like 9 months. I can't really remember exactly, but it was definitely less than a year. Number two, use at your discretion. You know, like your experience might be a little bit different than mine, but for me, I was amazed at the fact of how great my credit score became from where it was. So totally, it's your discretion. Don't get mad at me if it don't work for you, but I'm telling you, it worked for me. And number three, just to preface this a little bit more, I am not by any means any credit expert or a consultant or none of that. Again, I am simply sharing my experience with you. If you decide to do it and it works for you, great. I would love to hear about that. So comment down below, and also comment down below if you have any opinions about building your credit or any experiences that you've gone through. Comment it in the comment section, because I would love to get this conversation going, and maybe you can have a tip we can share with others and we could all gain something from it. So sometime earlier this year, I used an app called MoneyLion. MoneyLion was basically an app. MoneyLion was basically an app I got to try to build my credit up a little bit. I went on there and it showed me that I was able to get a loan for 500 bucks. So I got a $500 loan based off of whatever they based it off of. But I ended up getting a $500 loan, to which I agreed that I would pay it off bi-weekly. So every 2 weeks, MoneyLion took out an automatic $20, or it was $19 and change, out of my account that would go towards paying off the loan, and it would pay it off within a year. On top of that, so in other words, I got $500 and I was paying $40 a month. So if you do the math, I was paying back $480, which I still don't understand how that worked out. But still, I ended up paying less Don't mark my words, but I think I ended up paying less than what I got the loan for. But I'm pretty sure I'm wrong there. But either way, I ended up paying $20 every 2 weeks. Plus, I paid, it was around $20 also every 2 weeks. So it was $40 total every 2 weeks. But 20 of those dollars, so in other words, let me start over. I paid $80 a month to pay off the loan, but $40 of that went into an investment portfolio. So those $40 were being invested. So basically, it was helping me save money and invest it into different stocks and stuff like that. So basically, I told myself, okay, I'm gonna try this. If my credit score is really gonna go up, I'll keep doing it. If not, I'll just pay off the loan, cancel all that. So they were taking $40 towards my loan a month. So I was paying off my loan, which technically it's like, don't use the money, you still have it. You get what I'm saying? It's not that bad. It's $40 a month. Plus $40 a month was going towards the investment. And every time I went and checked it, my investment would keep going up. And there was a couple times only where it went down. I went aggressive with the investment. And so I kept gaining money with the money, the $40 a month that I would put in. I kept gaining money on my investment account. But then on my loan account, I paid on time every single time. And I just recently paid it off. And every month or so, I kept seeing my score go up. I'm gonna put somewhere on here. You're gonna see it now. Yeah, there we go. Let me scoot over to the side a little bit. So you see, every week, it would update my credit score. And I'm like, cool, this is cool. It's going up a point. Here's 10 points. Boom. It went up 30 points. And my score was at 535. It was either 535 or 513, but it was in the low 500s. And just recently, it went up to 693. But check this out. I just went to my bank and I was inquiring about loans, right? Because I wanted just to see where my options were and what I had, possibility for loans that I could use towards, investment or business or whatever. And it turns out the lady tells me, you have an amazing credit score. It is 765. That's amazing. 765. And the reason I'm blown away by this is because, like my life is pretty cool. Like all these awesome things that have been happening. But it's because I never forget where I came from, man. I never thought that my credit score was ever gonna be good. And I never thought that I was gonna be able to look towards a future with good credit. Like I can do things now because my credit is good. Now, this is something you can try. And like I said, it's totally up to you to try, but it totally worked for me. I mean, my credit score went from I'll stick with 535. It went from 535 to 765 points. One thing I could tell you is that I didn't, get like credit checks and I didn't try to apply for credit cards. And the cool thing with this app is so cool. It shows you, it gives you ideas of how you can build your credit and help build it. And everything I've noticed is that if you get a loan and you pay it off on time, your credit actually goes up because of you paying off the loan. So I forgot what the interest was that I paid, but I was like, man, I made money while I was building my credit. And you can too. I truly believe, I would not be making this video if I didn't believe that you can also fix your credit or build your credit by using this app. I'm one of those people that I'm very, what's that word, man? I'm one of those people that I see ads and I see things that talk about building your credit and you got to pay this and pay that. I'm one of those people that are against that, I always see red flags, and because I never had it happen, but it's happened, and that's why I'm making this, to hopefully help you, because I'm telling you, it could build your credit, and if not, it could completely repair your credit. And all you got to do is take out a loan. And if you're smart about it, And if you're responsible about it, you can literally take that loan money, put it to the side, and pay off your loan with that loan money plus a little bit of interest on top. So what are you paying? 10 bucks, 20 bucks out of your pocket, you know, a month to build your credit, and you don't have to go through no crazy companies or nothing like that. Now, I would recommend not even paying attention to any of the ads they're trying to put out there for you, because they're going to make you click on stuff. Because I'm still, even though this happened, and even though it's been a great experience and my credit score went up, I still would not click on any of those ads that are in that app. But I would totally recommend that you go check out that app, Money Lion. Go look at it, look through it, check it out, see if it's something you'd be interested in, and if it could build your credit, awesome. That's all I want to do, is try to help you. So, yep. Till next time, Alex, Fat Man the Flipper, your friendly neighborhood fat man, asking you to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this a thumbs up. Share this with the world so everybody's credit could get better. Everybody could become an investor. Everybody can make some money. And until next time, peace, money, love.
Not only is he fat,
He flips. Not only does he flip,
he's fat. Fat man.
yeah. Okay.
Is that too much? I'm totally using that.